Hi boys and girls. Today we are going to continue with our math for TK, and this is exploring the number 1. So yesterday we learned about 1, 2, and 3. We learned different ways that we can show the number 1. Now number 1 is right here in the middle. We learned that we can do it on dice, so it will just look just like that. A dice with a number or one circle, which is for number 1. Good. We learned that we can even do it with our fingers, right? So this is our little hand. Everyone point out a number 1 just like that. Good. 1. Wiggle your finger. Wiggle, wiggle. Good. 1. We also learned that we have 10 frames, right? There's 10 boxes, but we only need 1. So I only put one little dot right there for our number 1. Okay? So today, I want you guys to focus more on how to write the number 1. So I'm going to grab my blue marker, and today everyone was given a worksheet that looks just like this. If you don't have it already, you will get it a little later from mommy or daddy. So what we are going to do is we're going to learn how to write the number 1. Now, boys and girls, when we're doing the number 1, it's just going straight down. So here I have it, and I'm just going to trace it. I'm going to go right down, and if you want to do the little feet, you can. He has little feet, right? Little feet, okay? But also, you can just do a number 1 that goes down. So you're going to start from this little circle, okay? And then you're just going to go down, 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 okay? So here's my broken line. I'm just going to trace it, okay? Everyone together, look at teacher. And I'm just going to go straight down. And that's going to make a number 1. Everyone with me? Number 1. Now, because you guys are not with me in person, I want everyone to pretend you have a magical marker. Okay, we're going to write in the sky. I want everyone to grab your magical marker. Okay, I have a pink glitter marker in my hand. It's a pretend. Okay, and I'm going to write a number 1. I want everyone to do it with me, okay? So pretend we're going to start on the very top, and everyone's going to go down. Ready? Together. 1, 2, 3. Down. Good. We just drew a number 1 with our magical pink glitter, or at least mine was pink glitter, marker. So everyone together, again, let's write it in the sky. Ready? With our magical markers, let's write the number 1. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Down. Good. So everyone just drew a number 1. Good job. So what you guys are going to do today is I want you guys to practice the number 1. Okay, so all you have to do is grab your marker and you're going to trace it down the dotted line inside of your number 1. Now, do I go below my line right here? No. Do I go above my line? No. Make sure you go straight down, just like we did with our magical markers. Okay? Straight down, just like that. Okay? Straight down from the circle all the way to the bottom of the 1. All the way down. All the way down. Okay? Then what I want you guys to do is be able to identify the number 1. So we all have little circles that look just like this. Okay? In the circles, I only want you to grab your favorite color. So teacher is going to grab, let's see, I'm going to grab a red. Okay? And with my red, I'm going to find all the number 1s. Only if they look like a number 1, I'm going to color the circle though, okay? Only if it looks like a number 1. And we know that number 1 looks like that. It looks like this. It looks like that. It looks like my finger. How many? Just 1, right? So here I am. I'm going to go ahead and color in all the circles that have a number 1. So I found one here. I found one here. Oh, I found one here. Oh, and I found one here. Okay, so I colored in all the circles that have a number 1. Okay, now at the very end, we're going to learn how to write the word 1. It is one of our sight words. Some of you guys already know that, but the number 1 is one of our sight words. So everyone say it with me. O-N-E. Together. O-N-E. That is for the number 1. Everyone say 1. 1. This is how we spell 1. Ready? O-N-E. Good. Now, right down here, we have the letters, and you'll see that it has broken lines. We're going to cut out the letters, and they're all scrambled because look at the letter O. It's all the way over here, and then E in the middle, and then N. That's not how we spell it, so I have to cut these letters out. I'm going to glue them with my handy-dandy glue stick, and I'm going to cut them and glue them on my word 1, O-N-E. So you got to cut these out. You will glue them on the boxes, okay? But teacher, how will I know where to put the letters? Well, all we have to do is look right here. It tells you O, N, and E, because the letter O, N, and E make the word 1, and that is one of our sight words. For the ones that just added on to my class and don't have that sight word, it's okay. We will learn it today, and this word is 1. Okay, so do we need to know how to write it? We will, but today all we really have to do is be able to recognize where to put the letters and spell out the word 1. Okay, so I want everyone to do their worksheet. At the very end, you will take a picture of this and you will send it to me on Seesaw. Okay, you will send it to me on Seesaw. Okay, when you are done. All right, if you have any questions, I will be on live on Hangouts. Thank you, boys and girls.